All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2018 Kia Soul. It is the beautiful silver with black cloth interior, alloy wheels, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, backup camera, super nice fog lights, super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Front bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger rim. Tire thread is just a hairline on the 7. Let me double check that. Actually at 8:30 seconds. Let me see, this thing is calibrated correctly. Yep, at 9:30 seconds. I don't see any curbing on this one. Your front door looks good. Your rear door looks good, and your quarter looks pretty good. Does have some scuffing here on the bumper. About 5-6 inches. Some more down here. Heavy scratch here. About 4 inches. All right, here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here is at 9:30 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it off for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. There is a does come with one key fob combo and owner's manual. Let's check out pictures for more details. AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Confirm some stuff. Let's see. There it is. Preparing stuff. Alright, backup camera. Boom. AC controls right down below. Steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 7,198. Looks good. Looks good. Keeping it moving. Here's your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest, the cup holders. Coming around, showed you that stuff over there in that corner. The rest of it looks pretty good. Your tailgate here looks good. Here's your rear trunk spacing with that. Let's say pretty big and spacious. This thing folds out like that. There's a little cubby hole where I stored away your owner's manuals. And down here it's got like some sort of run flat system. Check out your pictures for more details on that stuff. All right. This quarter looks pretty good. Here's your rear passenger rim. I don't see any curbing here. Your tire thread. It's over 8:30 seconds. This door looks good. Here's your rear passenger seat. The other side of it. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door here looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips to that one. What is this? A little ding, a little chippy there. One nice. This probably from doors opening. Got a dent here on this door. I'm sorry, on this fender. Small paint off. Another little dent here on this door. Paint off on that as well. A couple of, I don't know what this is. I don't know what these two things are. Maybe that's some blemish on the paint or something. I'm not sure. I am not sure. Alright, and this is what your front passenger rim looks like. No curbing. Tire thread is 7:30 seconds. Let me double check it. Or just over 7:30 seconds, as you can see. I forgot to turn on the headlights. Anyway, these things are working, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Kia Soul with 7,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.